Have you ever wondered about the origins of postmodern architecture? Welcome to a journey where we uncover the roots of this intriguing style. Emerging in the late 20th century, postmodern architecture was a vibrant response to the rigidity of modern design. It embraced complexity and contradiction, breaking the mold with diverse forms, materials, and historical references. This dynamic movement, dominant from the 80s to the 90s, continues to influence contemporary architecture. So, where did this movement start? Stay tuned as we delve into the birth of postmodern architecture. The term postmodern was first used in the architectural context in 1975, marking a shift from the modernist rule of form follows function. An American architect coined this term, signaling the end of modernism's reign. He claimed the so-called death of modern architecture occurred with the demolition of a housing project in St. Louis, Missouri, a once iconic symbol of modernist urban planning that fell due to social and structural issues. But who were the pioneers of this new architectural movement? One of the pioneers of postmodern architecture was an architect who championed an architecture of complexity and contradiction. His influential book, Complexity and Contradiction in Architecture, critiqued the rigidity of modern architecture. His designs, like a residence for his mother, embodied his ideas of complexity and contradiction. He famously countered the modernist motto, "Less is more," with his own, "Less is a bore." Another important figure in the postmodern movement initially promoted modernism, but later became a leading postmodern architect. This architect was known for his buildings that featured elements of historical revival, ornamentation, and playful geometry. Initially a proponent of modernism, he deftly transitioned into postmodernism, designing structures like a playful skyscraper and a whimsical office complex. He also formed dynamic collaborations with other postmodern architects, further enriching the movement. They designed vibrant structures and skillfully blended diverse styles and periods, adding to the rich tapestry of postmodern architecture. Postmodern architecture is known for its eclectic blend of styles, vibrant colors, and playful elements. Let's delve into the defining features of postmodern architecture. Postmodern architecture is characterized by a unique blend of features. One of the most prominent features is the eclectic mix of architectural styles and periods. From the grandeur of classical and medieval eras to the glamour of Art Deco and pop art, postmodern architects create a collage of aesthetics and cultures that is both ironic and intriguing. Another feature is the exploration of sculptural forms. Architects play with shapes and materials, crafting buildings that are as much works of art as they are functional spaces. Picture a museum in Spain with a dome of shining metal, or a house in Prague shaped like a pyramid, each an example of postmodern sculptural form. Bright colors also make a bold statement in postmodern architecture. Architects use vibrant hues, sometimes through ceramic tiles or colored glass, to create visually striking buildings that also express emotions and meanings. Classical ornamental details are often used in postmodern architecture, but not in the way you might expect. These details are exaggerated, distorted, or even inverted, creating a sense of irony or humor. Think of a municipal building in Oregon with oversized columns, or a German art gallery with fragmented arches. Abstraction is another key feature, with architects using geometric, symbolic forms to create buildings that reference other art forms. And finally, postmodern architecture is characterized by its playfulness, whimsy, humor, and irony. Imagine a building shaped like a duck, a basket, or a loop, each challenging architectural conventions while engaging the public. These are the features that make postmodern architecture a distinct and fascinating field. Now let's delve into some iconic examples of postmodern architecture. Imagine a house that redefines the norms of architecture. That's the case of a house built in Philadelphia in 1964. Designed for his mother by a pioneer of postmodern architecture, this house shatters the principles of clarity, simplicity, and functionality. With a gabled roof, a broken pediment, a round window, and a distorted chimney, it's a complex, contradictory design. The non-functional arch, the staircase leading nowhere, and the asymmetrical elements all suggest a playful, ironic commentary on domestic architecture. This house signaled the dawn of postmodern architecture. Moving to the heart of New York City, we find a skyscraper that stands out from the rest. This architectural marvel, designed for a telecommunications company, boasts a unique design reminiscent of a classic furniture piece. With a granite facade, a grand arched entrance, and a pedimented top, it echoes the grandeur of classical architecture. Yet, its cylindrical lobby, inspired by a famed Roman temple, challenges conventional modernist aesthetics. This skyscraper is a symbol of postmodern architecture. Finally, we travel to Spain to discover a museum that is a masterpiece of artistic and architectural expression. This architectural marvel, with its titanium-clad facade and series of curved and twisted volumes, embodies the spirit of postmodern design. Its dynamic and fluid relationship with the landscape, the river, and the city showcases how architecture can shape and transform a city's image and identity. The museum's awe-inspiring design resembles a ship or a fish, a testament to the playful and innovative nature of postmodernism. This museum is a testament to the power and beauty of postmodern architecture. Postmodern architecture, with its complexity and contradiction, has reshaped our understanding of buildings and spaces. It's an artistic dance of form, function, and whimsy, as seen in the Philadelphia Home, the New York skyscraper, and the Spanish Museum. Each structure, a bold statement of defiance against modernist norms, has left an indelible mark on the cityscape. It's a style that continues to inspire and provoke, challenging our perceptions and expectations. Discover more about architecture by following us on our social media platforms and visiting our website blog at www.buildingslead.com.
Welcome to Buildings Lead blog, where we pull back the curtain on the charming world of buildings and their creation. We will unravel the magic of materials such as concrete, steel, wood, painting, and more. We will discover how these elements implement together to form the soul of every structure, and how architects and engineers orchestrate them into functional beauty. Buildings Lead blog will help you trace the journey from initial sketches to the final finishes. Explore the relationship of light and space, the power of geometry, and the art of design. Join us as we journey through the construction symphony, from laying the foundation to raising the roof. Meet the skilled engineers and workers who transform blueprints, drawings, and sketches into reality, and witness the intricate teamwork that elevates raw materials into places we call buildings, which can be homes, malls, museums, and more. Buildings Lead blog is a love letter to human ingenuity and creativity. We'll spotlight groundbreaking innovations in sustainable construction, explore the future of smart buildings, and delve into the rich tapestry of architectural styles. So whether you're a seasoned construction professional, a curious homeowner, or simply someone who appreciates the beauty and complexity of the built environment, we invite you to join us on this exciting journey. Let's unlock the secrets of buildings together.